Hello penny pinchers, my name is Dehan and welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video we're going to be looking at 3 NFT stocks that are currently gaining some momentum. Obviously some of them are just going to be sympathy plays because other potential NFT penny stocks or stocks in general are starting to trend up. Now we've seen some massive gains in the past few weeks. There have been stocks that have trended up 100%, 1000%, 1500%, in a matter of days just on speculation. So we're going to be checking out 3 of them right now that have potential plays. Now let's dive on in and check them on out, guys. Okay, so the first NFT penny stock potential play is going to be Color Star Technology. This one, we've discussed this company plenty of times in the past. It was initially one of the education technology penny stocks to watch during the pandemic, with virtual learning gaining ground. Many related names caught sympathy momentum. Now CSCW was one of them. As things have progressed, Color Star has evolved into a digital entertainment company. Where does the NFT tie-in come from? Well, there may have been some speculation stemming from a recent update. Color Star signed a deal with Domain HK Ltd. It will use blockchain technology support for Color Star's interactive entertainment platform software, Color World APP. Now, in the press release last week, the company said this: a platform user who is currently unknown but has strong creative abilities might use this platform to help showcase his hidden talents. The copyright exchange platform of the Color Star app may match him to those who can appreciate and understand the value of his work. Throughout this platform, people may find their favorite works in one stop, and as the Color Star app becomes integrated with AR technologies, it should turn copyrights from plain text into vivid presentation, thereby allowing everyone to appreciate the talented work of others. So, very interesting wording that they have right there, right? So, ticker symbol CSCW. This one was up about 3.5% today. Started up very, very nice at the open, went up to about $1.60, then pulled back down throughout the day. This one is currently trading at $1.46 or 47 cents. If we take a look here, actually, short term, mid term, long term, this stock is very bullish. So even if we're not looking at the NFT momentum play, this stock is still bullish by analysts for the rest of the 2020 pretty much and throughout the time. So definitely one I would add to the radar either way because it has a lot of potential. As you can see here, beginning of 2020, it was trading around 60 cents. Now it's at over $1.47, so that's over 100% gain right there that we've seen, especially since this run-up that we saw about a week ago. The stock went from about 82 cents to highs of over $2, which gave it another massive boost right there of over 100% gains in a matter of a couple of days. So this one obviously a little bit overbought, pulled back down. As we say, these are kind of spec plays. They're pretty much just going up on hype with no real news. We haven't seen too much real news with most of these NFT plays, but definitely want to add to your radar as volume is popping. I mean, as you can see right here, 22 million shares. Then we had a day here 385 million shares. We saw that huge volume right there on the day where the stock pretty much doubled in price, which was huge. But we're still trading around 49 million shares today, which is still a huge volume on this one. Color Star Technology, obviously, definitely a play to be watching as this NFT hype is still going on. I don't know how long this is going to last, but as long as it is lasting, I would definitely add as many of these that I can to my radar and see which one is going to be the play. Some days you see them moving up on higher and higher, making huge gains. Then the next day you see them pull back down. That's when you want to take. You obviously want to take profits. You don't want to be sitting on these for a long time. You got to be quick. You got to be quick. Even with the ones that aren't penny stocks, you got to be quick because as you guys saw, TKAT, that stock jumped up to about $70 per share, pulled back down to like $35. So, massive drop, over 50% drop right there, and then pulled back up around the 40, 45 range. So it's continuously going up and down. Sometimes it makes higher highs and then the lows are lower, but it continues to go up and down. You have to be quick. It's pretty much a day trade on most of these guys. So let me know in the comments below, what NFT penny stocks or just stocks in general are you trading right now? As always, guys, I appreciate the support. So go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. So smash that like button. It only takes a few seconds to do that, and I really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so we get notified every time I make a new video. We have a new video every single day. And as always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800, links are going to be in the description for that. Go ahead and check that out. Leave a comment below, what penny stocks are you buying right now, and let's get into the rest of the countdown, guys. The second NFT potential hot stock is going to be Cinnadin Corp. So this company has a few moving parts that could connect some dots, or at the very least, it could explain why CIDM stock has gotten lumped into the NFT space. Let's check it out. The company at its core is a streaming entertainment company. Do you know what has a minority interest in Cinedim? A company called Wizard World. Cinedim has also launched Con TV, a Comic-Con branded channel in partnership with Wizard in 2015. Why might this be important? Well, Wizard announced this month that it would actually be getting into the NFT space using decades of exclusive Wizard World convention videos, recorded live interviews, and memorabilia. The company plans on creating NFTs to offer to its fans. So everybody's jumping on that NFT train, ain't they? The launch of Wizard World's NFTs will be an integral part of Wizard World's progression into a technology company that builds global interactive online communities for affinity groups by sourcing, producing, marketing, and streaming exclusive proprietary events and signature series, while monetizing unique content from the past and present through Wizard World vaults and NFTs. So something similar to this was discussed yesterday with the tie-in between Liquid Media and Atari. So we definitely talked about this one in our previous video, guys. If you guys haven't checked that video out, go ahead and check out that video. It also had 3 penny stock plays, and it was Liquid Media and Atari and how they were linked together. So sympathy sentiment played a role in these stocks. Will that be the same for CIDM? It should be noted that Cinedim hasn't come straight out to discuss any NFT related news so far. So keep that in mind if this one is on your, watch list of penny stocks. So CIDM, this one was up about 18.5% today. So this one's booming. It's going on that rocket ship. That rocket ship's firing all the cylinders up. It's about to take off. So definitely want to add to your radar as well. Short term, mid term, long term. Analysts have this one on very bullish once again. So even if this NFT hype doesn't help this stock at all or doesn't have any positive news, this stock is very bullish still for the long run. So let's take a look. I mean, we've had this run throughout 2020 from 64 cents to highs of about $2.33. Pulled back down, obviously, with the market to about 92 cents low. And then we started to take off and we made over $1 gain. So over 100% gain in a matter of just March. So volume, we see volume started to pick up on the 23rd and the 24th. We had about 62 million shares. Then another day we had over 149 million shares. And this stock just started to go on higher and higher, being up over 18% today. So massive, momentum right there. We broke through the previous resistance at one point, but we pulled back. So we're going to be looking for more volume to, pick up throughout Friday and then going into next week. See if this one can continue that momentum higher and break through that previous resistance and continue to go higher and higher, making new highs for 2021. So definitely CIDM is one I would keep on your radar as it has some huge potential, whether it's going to be a sympathy play or just actually, potential play with news. So let's keep this one on our radar and let me know in the comments below what do you guys think about CIDM as well. And last but not least, the third NFT penny stock potential play is going to be Hall of Fame Resort Entertainment. So this week, Hall of Fame Resort continued a rally that began last week on NFT speculation. The company would later come out to say that it's getting familiar with the new trend and exploring options. Tuesday, Hall of Fame announced a deal with the entertainment company and former penny stock Dolphin Entertainment, ticker symbol DLPN, and both of these stocks started to take off actually. And if we take a quick look at what this stock did, Dolphin went from, lows down here from $5 up to $14, $15. Then we continue to go higher all the way to about 28, 29, almost hitting $30 per share. And then obviously we pulled back down on that news, but definitely another huge play right there that we had. So the deal aims to offer NFTs that will allow fans of professional football and sport entertainments to buy and sell exclusive content developed by Hall of Fame and its partners. Both penny stocks surged during the early days of this week, obviously. And the crazy thing is I actually owned, this stock right here, HOFW. I owned it at about $5 per share, and I broke it at a, break even pretty much the day before this news came out. So I didn't hold it and I didn't make any profits, but still definitely want to add to your radar. If you were previously familiar with HOFW, it was likely as esports and the reopening trade had begun focusing on related stocks. Now, the heart of Hall of Fame's business model entails things like its Hall of Fame Village powered by Johnson Controls. This is right near the site of the NFL Hall of Fame. Hotels, interactive media areas, etc. are all planned for this build. Outside of this Hall of Fame is also getting things into like fantasy football, which is aimed to launch ahead of the 2021 football season. However, now speculation is buzzing about HOFW as one of the NFT penny stocks to watch after the deal with Dolphin this week. So this one right here, ticker symbol HOFV, was up about 1% today, currently trading at around $5.67. This one, obviously had that huge pop. If we take a look here at the 1 month chart, the stock was trading at $2, continued higher to 273, then continued here to about the $5 level, and it was here for a day or two. This is actually where I sold. I bought around the $5 area, sold for maybe a 5 or 10% loss, so almost broke even. And then the news came out. It went from $4 to boom up here to $7.64, making almost about 70-80%, almost 100% gain just on that news that it had that partnership going on with Dolphin, and that was just huge, as you can see here. So volume definitely picking up. 196 million, 251 million, 100 million, and then 229 million shares traded. As we saw after that huge run up, it did pull back down. Obviously, it was a little bit overbought on that news. Now it's came back down a little bit to this $5.67 level. We're going to be looking forward to see what's going to happen next. Is it going to continue lower on this news, or is it going to continue to pick up some volume next week and bounce on higher? Obviously, you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen with these two stocks, Dolphin and Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment? Do you think they're both going to continue to go down lower on this news, or do you think that there's going to continue the momentum up if more NFT momentum start to happen in the market in general? Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, none of this is going to be financial advice. This is all for educational purposes. These are just 3 NFT stocks right now that have some sympathy momentum and are, moving up with the NFT play stocks, I guess you could say. Before investing into any stocks, obviously, especially spec plays like this, you definitely want to speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence before investing. If you guys enjoy this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800, links are going to be in the description for that. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know what penny stocks are you buying right now and what NFT plays are you playing on right now. Let me know in the comments below and I'll reply to your comment as well. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.